In recent years, artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a groundbreaking tool for marketers, transforming the way they approach content creation, audience engagement, and data analysis. One of the most powerful AI-driven solutions available today is OpenAI's ChatGPT, a cutting-edge language model designed to generate human-like text based on user inputs. This innovative technology is poised to revolutionize marketing strategies, providing marketers with a valuable tool to enhance their campaigns and drive better results. ChatGPT, based on the GPT-4 architecture, is an advanced language model capable of understanding context and generating relevant, coherent, and high-quality content. It can be used for a wide range of tasks, from writing captivating headlines to crafting engaging social media posts, blog articles, and email newsletters. By harnessing the power of ChatGPT, marketers can streamline their content creation process, save time, and optimize their efforts to better connect with their target audience. One of the most exciting applications of ChatGPT in marketing is its potential for personalization. Today's consumers expect personalized experiences, and ChatGPT can help marketers deliver these tailored interactions by generating content that speaks directly to individual users, addressing their unique needs and preferences. By leveraging AI-driven personalization, marketers can significantly improve user engagement, foster stronger customer relationships, and drive higher conversion rates. In this 5-part video course, we will guide you through the process of setting up and using a ChatGPT account to enhance your marketing strategies and achieve better results. We will cover everything from account creation and content generation to advanced techniques for customization and performance analysis, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of how to effectively harness the power of ChatGPT for your marketing campaigns. As we embark on this journey, it's crucial to keep an open mind and embrace the potential of AI to transform your marketing efforts. While ChatGPT is an incredibly powerful tool, it's important to remember that it's designed to support and augment human creativity, rather than replace it entirely. By working collaboratively with ChatGPT and using it as a foundation for your marketing strategies, you can unlock new opportunities, streamline your processes, and achieve better results than ever before. Stay tuned as we dive into the fascinating world of ChatGPT and explore how it can revolutionize your marketing campaigns, empowering you to connect with your audience on a deeper level and drive unparalleled success.